Okay, guys, let's take a look at our Friday. Everything I say is not financial advice. It was hell of a week. The weekends lost some staggering 6.5 trillion. Is it even possible? To smart hands. So, like, we know that money is not generated nor being lost at financial markets, they just change hands. I did not participate in this exchange. Uh, didn't gain nothing this week, didn't lose nothing this week. Two of my trades got broke even. Yeah, so this guy looks like an exhaustion volume. Continue holding Coinbase. Yeah. Roku still counter trend, still grinding lower. Nothing like exhaustion. On volume T1 spring test. Continue to hold. Same deal on the Roku. Yeah, looks bearish. Looks bearish. Look at this. Not even that biggest volume. Yeah. This guy looks bearish. The only reason I hold it is, yeah, that doesn't look good. Hold on. Fasagra. Weird. Air product. No, same deal. Looks good to me. Looks good. Sorry, my friends are. Target. I think it's gonna be good. Intel. Absolutely on volume, so it's not gonna hold. .neft. This stock I would love to get out of. Most Energo. Weird. Yeah, my breaking even. My breaking even. I think I should let it go. You know what I mean? I should let it go. It's still okay. However, let me actually see my alerts. Everything is on day. Yeah, good. This was good here. It's kind of in the neutral zone right now. Let's keep an alert for now. Nickel, Gazprom, Cisco. Mitsubishi. Yeah. It's just gone. GM made its move. GM made its move. so high up there. You hear this guy? Eating up my brain. Eating up my brain. It's not bad. However, look at this. Look at this. It's a good volume now. Look. Oops. Yeah. It's an exhaustion volume here. And then... yeah, volume distribution is not bad. Alright, let's keep an eye on it. Skeptical. We don't know whether it's bullish or bearish. Technically, it's bullish. According to the old Wyckoff methodology, it's bearish. Go figure. Look like manipulation. Let's see. Like whenever I can't understand what market is doing, I'll just let it run and do its thing. This is very tempting to pick it up just from here. I don't think it's impractical. Yeah. Toyota. It's habitual within the system of trading that I use to stay away from the market when it moves like violently. So the fact that I didn't do any money, didn't set up any trades during this week is very indicative of the system itself. If it makes sense. So when the market, jerks out, stay away and let the market decide what it wants to do. Is it conservative? It is conservative, so probably. I don't know how to work with all these bounces, like automatic rallies. Wyckoff methodology talks about, like, Ruben Villahermosa Chavez talks about automatic rallies. I need to read the book again, but there's nothing as far as I remember that would teach me to work with automatic rallies. So the best thing I do is automatic rallies, stay away and let the market decide where you want to go. You know what I mean? Especially when we're so up high there on SPY. I think we're still early. I think the big correction / possible crisis / possible Great Depression market crash is due no earlier than next year. We'll take a look at it today. However, you never know. That's the thing. It's made its move. I've noticed, and there's something that I need to correct, is that I tend to follow the price too up high. So per se here it would be like playing it from here. It did its move after 0.5. I didn't participate, so just let it go. 0.5 is done. It's done deal. Deal with it and let it go. Deal with it and let it go. especially with the volume like this. Like, come on, be real. I think I'm finally becoming more selective. It's not like I'm finally becoming more selective. It comes in iterations. It comes in iterations. That's how you polish yourself as a professional. You just become more. Speaking of professionals, yeah, and it's also like to like, no, come on, be real. It's tempting to pick up, but it's an upthrust. Yeah, and the volume is here. It's exactly what it is. That's an initiative takeover that didn't take over, you know what I mean? Yeah. No, like, let it go. It's just, yeah, it's in our monthly watch for a reason. With this volume, it's not like the biggest volume, but like, yeah. So let it go here at least. The Ryzen didn't take this trade for better or worse. I needed to come here. Why do I expect it to accelerate versus correcting to 0.5? Maybe like expanding this level, maybe expanding again, like, you know, coming to the bottom of this volume level. More real. Thank you, market, for letting me out today. Beautiful save. Thank you. I didn't really deserve it entering here. It's just like what I was thinking. But yeah, it's all good now. I'm out. CVS. Sociedad, I think, is society, right? Sorry, my Spanish is -1 level. Yeah. Is SPY in a correction like this? I don't think it's time to play bold, you know what I'm saying? And we're above all-time highs. Well, I mean, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possibly the end of United States market. Let me, what was it? Elliot. Oh shit. Okay, never mind. But yeah, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 1, and that's 2 ABC, and that's 3, and here ABC, and that's 5. Possibly the end of American market, and here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2005, and then and then 50% correction. Do you think it never happened? I'm not sure. AKA 2002, AKA 2008. Will it happen again? I will. Will it happen in 2025? I'm not sure. Times are turbulent, as far as I can say. You know, sometimes are more like there is something to be said. You know, like I don't like the saying because I was like, time are always the same. You know, there's always like a war somewhere. There's always a peace somewhere. There's always a crisis somewhere, and there's always a prosperity somewhere. Just how it works. However, one can like make an argument that some times are just more favorable than the others, and yeah, um, the times are not very favorable right now. Ever since COVID-19, like there's still nothing like pre-pandemic life for majority of the world. Those were like good, prosperous times with bubbles like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. You know what I mean? All this like tulip bulbs. Um, well, to be honest with you, that's the wave level. So it's very counterintuitive to see it this way, like more so like you want to see it this way, but I want to see it this way, but wave was developing like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's like too long for 5. So 1, 2, 3. So that was like 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I'm hallucinating. I don't know how. Like there is like wave specialists, like technical analysis professionals who specialize specifically in wave count. I don't do it. It's not within. It's not within. I don't care if it's like first, third, or fifth stage of the wave. I just see how it corrects to 0.5, basically. That's all I do. Yeah, someone can make an argument that this here because it's like it's an impulse. Yeah. Yeah. Someone can make an argument that this is the real situation on Truist Financial Corp. What is this corp? 55 billion, 50,000 employers. Gosh, 1872. Charlotte. I was in Charlotte. It's nice. Wait, what? It says founded 1872, and it says founded 2019. Can you even like trust what TradingView says? So yeah, like in this impulse, it's this. It's also this. No. Nice drop. Volume distribution is not right though. I like when it drops. An opportunity. An opportunity. What's the lyrics? If opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Oh my gosh. He was such a hit. Eminem. I was even like not getting the culture when Eminem was big. I was like back home. I was like, what's the buzz about? Okay, I get this whole like white dude raps kind of hype, but I was not even close to getting all the cultural background of what it is, what it was for him to grow up in an environment he did and end up with his poetry. So I was not even like understanding all the cultural background of his phenomena. I don't know his personality, but I think it's pretty remarkable. He's literally what back home we call a white crow, you know? That's funny. It matches him perfectly. Something that stands out vividly out of their environment. And look at this volume. It really stood out of its environment for sure. Moix is not doing great. However, it's very political because like that's a splash due to wherever the U.S. government imposed sanctions on Moscow exchange. So due to that, I decided like to take it off my list. And then it gave me the exhaustion volume right after I took it off my list. I'm sorry. It gave me the exhaustion volume the next day. I know. No, it was after that. No, let's. Yeah, everything is so up high there. Not everything, but a lot of things. Really, really ripe for deeper correction. You know what I mean? This guy as well. Look. So weighted 2.5 at least. Misha. I'm talking to myself. When I'm talking to myself, not to you guys, so not financial advice. Just my internal monologue. Oh, this is perfect for a deeper correction. Yeah. Well, there is volume here though. Weird stock. Fastenal made its move. Did I make any money on it? No, I did not. Did I not? No, I did. Yeah. Make a trade and get away. I identified my problem is that like I make money, I see the levels, I make money, and then I can't like let it go. I just like try to milk it, and you made your money once. That's not me. That was like Casey's setup. And get away. Don't get greedy. Like it's a one-time situation. Don't get like addicted or emotionally attached to the stock. There's a situation. Just make your money, get out, and get out. Nvidia. Like many trades I got stuck in. Intel. I think something else is like due to me being like too fixated, like staying with the stock. No, made your money, get away. And even more so, broke even. Like don't re-enter. I'll show you. But there was a level. This Stellantis stock or STLA. It's just I was persistent. Hold on. I was persistent. It broke me even twice, and I re-entered again to get stuck for longer. It just I was asking for it. Set up a trade, didn't go my direction, broke even, walk away. What else would you dream about? Like you would have lost money otherwise. Instead, you made like you broke even. Just kind of move on, get over with it. And I can't. I'm just continue to try to do something Global Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF. That sounds like something like Katie Woods would invest in, and then it would just crash, like AKA Fastly. I lost so much money on it. It doesn't hurt anymore, but it did hurt as hell in 2020, 22. That was bad. Yeah. Also, this hype things, I was like, as a rule of thumb, like, stay away. You know. And we are getting under this volume now. It didn't hold. So, where's this volume now? Oh. Yeah. No, I think it looks weird. After getting over this volume, we didn't get over this volume. Oh, hey, wait. Where is it? Yeah, here. So we ducked under this volume and then we got back up. And this looks like an exhaustion. This volume is all in our face right now. We're literally like, I don't know. Something like super quick. Yeah, and like we need to come here back and then we're gonna be under this big volume again now. Thank you, but no. Taiwan Semiconductor, look what it does. Well, this is not over yet. Yeah, so remember I was saying it's over, the game over here? But I went higher. It went higher just to give us the ooh, like even bigger volume. It's called a retail wave, so that's probably where professionals stop participating and exited the market. But still, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I'm saying it just doesn't stop that big. It's like that's where the game was over. Yeah, like here on earnings. Yeah, I think Taiwan Semiconductors looks really, really weak. Look at this volume. So maybe something like this. Fast. After this volume. No, like forget it. Like really forget it, Misha. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. I think the music is over on Taiwan Semiconductor. Never mind this level after this volume, so yeah. Only from here. Q's. This is not bad. Once again, 1, 2, 3, not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Yeah, I don't know how to count. Don't even listen to me when I start to count. When I start counting waves, I'm not trained to do so. Just I know people do that, and it's a training of its own. You know what I mean? Maybe one day I'll take it. I mean the training. But I have enough on my plate for now. Oh, that would be great from here. Also, after it's, yeah, let's be real. This is not bad. We need volume here. PLD, Prologis, Prologis. What is this company? Prologis. Whoa, like how did we get this like capitalization? Is it like your shares multiplied by number of shares? It's just nuts. San Francisco, okay. It's a famous company, probably. Anyone knows why did I? Why am I not watching the stock? Oh, because it didn't, okay. It didn't really reach here. This volume does not look like an exhaustion yet. However, it's an expanding T2. So it came in with all this volume, hit it, then unvolumed expansion, then volume. Yeah, volume never really died here. It came here. Yeah. It's a big volume build up here. And that looks like an exhaustion volume. It's actually not bad. Went down, 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 turned, went up, up, and then down again. It's actually not bad. Is it also some famous company? I don't know. No, not really. 25 billion, but like, look how many people it employs. Baltimore. Okay, Baltimore. I'm not saying it's the end of it, I'm just saying it looks like an exhaustion volume. Gosh, they started with like penny stocks. They started with like $1 back in 1987. What happened here? Well, did break down and held the level and then broke up again. Wait. Well, is it even the level? There's something going on here. Went up, then it went down, confirmed, and then it was crawling till it broke up, and then held this level here. It may not be the level, that's what I'm saying. So maybe the actual levels were like here. It's an interesting case. And then here. It's not a balance. This is not a balance. Yeah, no. No, not. And there was no balance here, no point. Yeah. Oh, it's good. It's good. Yeah, let's put it on a daily watch. Mm-hmm. Home Depot. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go lower. I don't know. Trying to decide what it wants to do. But yeah. But yeah, look, it just goes sideways. Absolutely bananas. Like 10 pounds of bananas. Yeah, I sensing. Well, technically. And there was also, is it still? Yeah. So that's the biggest. Still holds. Look at it. Look at this. Look at it. Okay. And it springs first and then didn't hold. Yeah, yeah. Then. No, I don't think it's a good idea. Anyways. And this didn't hold, more importantly. There's like. It's not a bigger volume. 85.14. 83. No. It still holds technically, but practically it's. Yeah, I think it's a little. It's a little bit funny. This feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can. I mean, it's going back and forth. It's changing directionality now. Easily hide. Don't have much money, my boy. If I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, whoa. But then again, no. Or a man who makes potions in the whoa traveling show. No, it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, yeah, and this one for you. And you can tell everybody this is your song. Yeah, I mean, this doesn't look good at all. There's volumes here, but it's a massacre. It's a fight, the very least I can say, and I should stay away. I'm not a fighter. I'm a peacemaker. I just like stay away and I see who wins, and then I join the winning side. That's just how it goes. This volume is weird because it's a bigger volume than this entire move. And even though it looks bullish, like why? If this is a strength and this is a weakness, why do we have so much strength? This is extraordinary. Wow, look at this. Look at this. And this is not healthy at all. Like, why? Where all this volume is coming from? So it was like, if those were like stop markets of the both who did the wrong entry and smart money is buying additional shares, grabbing all this liquidity, why is it like so massive? So yeah, anything weird, stay away. Just look for a pattern, Misha. Stay away from weird stuff. Same deal. And you can tell everybody this is your song. Maybe quite simple, but it could have been an accident here, really. But now on it's done. I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world. I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is. All you in the world. I sat on the roof. Also, like, look at the what's going on here? I was like, I'm dying, and then like I'm dead. It shouldn't be like, we shouldn't see this volume on correction, but yeah, no, I don't like it. I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is. So excuse me for forgetting Sir Elton John brought me back to life quite a few times in my life. Last time at the beginning of Hawaii with Tiny Dancer song. Tiny Dancer reminded me that I'm an actor and my place is in LA. So at the times when I thought that I moved to Hawaii and I'm done acting and I'm done with LA and all of that nonsensical crap, Sir Elton John resurrected me and reminded me of who I am. You guys know Tiny Dancer, right? Hold me closer, tiny dancer. Count the headlights on the highway. I don't know what this 0.5 is about. We had... Oh, it doesn't matter. We can... I'm not gonna trade. I'm not trading short yet. Until I get rid of all the trades I got stuck in and improve my statistics. I'm not even looking yet. Could have been an accident. I'm not even looking at short trades or any trades that require a stop market order, which are continuation of the trend, neutral zone, and any kind of shorting. So I'm only playing long from a good correction and good monthly levels. No exclusions. Sorry. I'm not sorry. Oh, look at British American tobacco. People start smoking more. It's a terrible thing. I spent like some 12 years smoking. 12 years of my health, wealth, and psychological wellness was surrendered to tobacco industry. My grandpa died of pulmonology, uh, like lung, not necessarily lung cancer he had, but smoking related um, health complications with his lungs at the age of 74. So premature. Yeah, my aunt lost a quarter of her lung to tuberculosis. Probably smoking induced, even more so passive smoking, because grandpa used to smoke in the house. So my dad smoked and I smoked for some 12 years. Um, Luckily, none of us smoke anymore as far as I'm concerned. My dad also gave up smoking. So, yeah, I have my thing about tobacco. uh, it's not from the articles. I know how detrimental tobacco is to humans' health and well-being. So you'll be laughing, but Alan Carr helped me to give up smoking. You know this guy probably. How to give up smoking, how to give up drinking, how to get out of the debt are his books. His book did help me. Like I feel it more like so was the last straw, but shortly after I read his book, I was finally able to give up smoking after like dozens of unsuccessful attempts to give it up. It's a little bit high, and this also is a neutral zone, you know what I mean? And there is this volume. No, I don't think. And that's like this weird stocks that I inherited from the times where I was helping out Casey. 6 billion. What are they? Oh, they have exposure to Russia? Europe. Oh, it's Europe combined. Okay. So this is bullshit. This is not Europe. Europeans here, and this is like East. That's Asia. Bullshit. Yeah, no, I don't think so. And do they pay dividends? They do pay dividends. I don't even know if I need them on my list. Count the headlights on the highway. Can be anything. Like, why am I taking it from the previous tutorial? Yeah, like this style. Exactly. Duke Energy Corporation. Who's Duke? Is it someone's like son? Someone famous? I have to know. Duke. Is it some royalty figure I should be aware of? Duke. I'm Duke. Okay, Duke. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Enterprise product with this volume? No, no bueno. Like boom, and then boom, like the nail in the coffin of enterprise product partners. I'm not saying it's dying, I'm just saying it doesn't look like it's want to go up. What is this? General Dynamics. General Dynamics. Trading stocks is fun. You can meet Duke in there. It's like, I don't want to put, like, I can technically put a level here, but it's just like, come on, let's be real. Like, the wave went here and then like came back like 80%. Maybe not. Oh, HSBC. Okay. Why do I have it from here? Yeah. I think it's good to go lower. Yeah, oof. Oof. Yeah, it was good here. Could have held it. I chickened out. Could have held it up to here. It's one of the first, like, big trades for me after I came back to American market. After I did my training. Pion. I was here. Where was that? Was the no? This is the biggest one, right? Yeah, and it didn't hold. Yeah, it didn't hold. Hub. What's Hub? Hubble Incorporated. Is it like Hubble? Like, no, it's not telescope. Is telescope called after the watchmaker, the Hubble, or Hubble, or like what are they called? 20 billions. Design and sales of electric and electronic products of non-residential. Yeah, so Connecticut. Harvey Hubble. The company was founded by Harvey Hubble. 1888, guys. Can you imagine? Like, America is such a young country, but like it has such an old companies. Like, for like in Russian terms, where capitalism came like in 90s, like 1888. Russia still had like emperor. It was an empire. And here's a company from 1888 in America. I think it's sick. This was good. Like, Coca-Cola was good in October 2023. It was by the book. Good. Yeah. It's very impressive for a first generation capitalist such as myself to see a company that was founded in 1888. It's like, this is, my ancestors were pretty much peasants at that time. I don't think they had more than like their clothes as their belongings. And someone found a company in America. Well, I don't know what to do with this 0.5. It just doesn't make any sense here. It supports the vision that is not there, that's non-existent. Like, this 0.5 is something. So yeah, 1888 is really impressive to me to start a company. And was most of the Europe still like kingdom, not kingdoms, but like empires? French empire. When no, I think revolution was already like, right. Napoleon was like the beginning of 19th century. So yeah. Regardless, for me it's a miracle. It's a miracle. Yeah, this 0.5 doesn't make no sense anymore. It's a miracle. Oh, look what happened here. Yeah, I don't think it's good for anyone. Well, for someone it's definitely good because they sold in the right time. You know what? Yeah. Quant. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm hallucinating. I'm showing the skill I don't have, namely wave count. I'm sorry, why do we have a notification here again? I guess there's nothing here that should draw my attention, except for a perfect opportunity to lose some money. It's consolidating. Like, when the wave does not correct to 0.5, it means I expect it to accelerate. Why? Why would I expect it to accelerate here? I would say someone is dumping it instead. Like, they did it here, and here, like, they're finishing the stock. And yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Look what the stock is capable of. This correction was like 90%, 80%. So yeah, no. Thank you, but no. You can like try 0.5 from the previous T2 in an impulse, but when it's like in a balance, or when it's already like did up thrust the T1 and went down to T2. Like here, you see it's not impulse anymore. So if it comes here, I can't use the 0.5 from the previous T2, even this. Yeah, this is bad. And even more so, change direction also. Yeah, we see like that some big stocks are due like a good fat juicy correction. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, just saying it can. And even more importantly, it will at some point. Why did I choose to? It's not even a level. Same dealio. Yeah, so like once it breaks here, it's good to see 0.5 from here, but not till then. Those are also some ETFs, like it's basically SPY. And once again, since it's up thrusted, like we gotta go to the entire wave. Of course, it's like unreasonable to go like here, but at least like where, well, that could be possibly also like the wave, like from here. From where the wave began. Okay, in TNT. It's doing its thing. I refuse to think about it. Technoglass. What's Technoglass? 2.6 billions. No, thank you. Technoglass. What's also happening here? I think it's some bullshit. It's just been in this like ever balance doing a thing, probably going down, further down. That's true. I think the party is over. It should go a little above the all-time highs. But yeah, I don't think. But no, it was changing directionality, so good. Unilever. This looks legit. Union Pacific also. Like, that's now how the levels are broken. You know what I mean? Let me put myself on charge. Yeah. I don't know what to say about this guy. Use bank. Once again, now once it's done with this level, it's not an impulse anymore. In impulse, we could have, and it did 0.5, it did a level here. Everything coincided. It was 0.5, it was sign of strength level, and it became T2. But now, once it's upthrusted, I'm not sure if it's even upthrusted, but yeah, upthrusted superficially. The T1, it's not an impulse anymore, so 0.5 is here now. I don't know what the heck is going on here. Same deal, this volume buildup. Yeah. This volume is good at least till here. So 0.5. And I don't think, yeah, this volume is indicative anymore. We have bigger volumes though. Yeah, why did I not mark them out? We have this volume. And this volume actually. Both are smaller than what happened here. But after it corrected, it's a build-up. The problem is it's not like one single volume, but look at all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like really like this, like it's not a correction is all I'm saying. It's not a correction, at least of like this movement. Maybe like this. You know what I mean? Realistically. I'd say so. I'd say that we should not. Ever since this volume at least. It's like, no, this is realistic. It's visible even like, let's zoom out. It's visible. So yeah, that's how I see it. This is how we do it. Dun, 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 dun. The volume still holds. Oops. The volume still holds. Yeah, no, I mean, air brake technologies. What's air brake technologies? 1869. Pittsburgh. Old stocks. Wow. Wow. And no bueno. Like, look at this volume. Look at this volume. Went up and resumed this volume. No, it's going down. It's going down. It wants to go down. Like, yeah. This was like bye-bye. Bye-bye. There was a big arrivederci to this entire movement. That's where the Westinghouse air brake said, I'm tired. I was up there since 1869. I'm going down. And now again. Yeah, now it's going down. We can put it in a monthly watch. I don't know why, but let's, for whatever sake. No, I don't even need it on monthly watch. No, I don't need it. It's a borderline. No, it's bigger. It's a bigger volume now. So it died here. This was the day that I died. This was the day. 1 bar though. It's not bad. 0.5 will be alright. So never mind this level. 0.5 will be alright for this stock, I think. Yeah. This volume. Look at this volume, by the way. This is bigger. So super technically. This is a sign of strength. It's weird. Like, you want to see sign of strength like somewhere around 0.5, and you wouldn't like, I wouldn't trade from here because it's too close to the wave level, and wave level of course is stronger. So oh wait, yeah, right. So it's like this, but like this. Yeah, so this like volume is impressive. Yeah. So I'd say like this 0.5 is fine when it comes to here. When it comes to it. Again, the entire wave now. Materials, select sector, spider. Oof. It did break officially, but did it? It was neutral. Okay. Some multiple bar manipulation. That happens. Look what it was doing. Like, it was like just grinding higher. There is volume, and there was volume here. We'll see. We'll see what it'll do. It's interesting. Again. Same deal. It's no good from previous. Did it change directionality? It did. Yeah, it did. Okay. Here. It's here. It's not like I'm trying to scare you. I'm just being real. Is this real? Real? Da, da, da. Same deal. Yeah, all this doesn't matter anymore. But it's not much deeper. On the positive side, Yandex, a Russian stock that, I mean, they did everything to sit on 2 chairs to stay a Russian company open for global business. And eventually they had to split, and Volokh, the founder of Yandex, a very smart IT guy, had to split his way with Russia. And I'm not necessarily like I'm not a fan of what he like the way he did it. He gave an interview to Financial Times or Forbes, whoever, to some like Western tabloid, and he was working his ass off to wash himself out of his Russianness. So he was claiming he's like Kazakhstani Jewish entrepreneur. So he was doing his best to wash out the Russian of his national identity, and I was like, this this is bullshit, you know? It's like, ah, I don't like it at all. Uh, no victim shaming. I understand what kind of oppression and pressure he is under being a Russian entrepreneur in the West. But trying to wash yourself out of your national identity is just, you are who you are, you know, national origin. Like, I'm Russian American, and I'll be so, like, it's never gonna change. And just trying to pretend I'm not is, how does it help me? It's not even about being like heroic or stoic or any of that. It's just like being practical. Like, how does it help me? Like, will people stop seeing me as like Russian? Yeah, I can like stand my grounds and claim myself being American, and no one, like, except for people I allow it to, can discriminate or treat me based on my national origin. That's the protection that United States gives me as the government, as the society, as, you know, as environment. I mean, but other than that, like, yeah, I'm clearly of Russian origin, and I mean, pride is a bad word. Like, pride. What else? Um, Greatness, like all of this. I think it's bullshit, but I am who I am, and it's beautiful. And I'm gonna stand my grounds. So yeah, I'm not a fan of how he did his coming out, because like most Russian entrepreneurs, like big ones, I mean, they had to make this hard. It was a hard fork for a lot of people back home who are involved in international trade and global business. They had to either split their way with Russian government and Russia and like settle in the West, or they had to cut their ties with the West. They had to take side, and that sucks. I understand, but yeah, um, claiming you're Kazakhstani Jew when all your life you operated, and like that's his national origin. That's true. He's Kazakhstani Jew, but it's very clear he's Russian, and he'll stay so. And uh, no matter what he says and which country he settles in, yeah, I think it's silly. He knows better though. He's a smart guy. Wolish. I don't think he's Woloch. He's Wolish. Um, yeah, this point 5 does not help us anyhow, anyways. So that will be our next resort. That concludes our journey to Russian geopolitical environment. I don't have nothing for hourly watch on Monday. We'll see. Maybe during the week I'll make more. I'll work on my stock screener situation. I have a whole bunch of stuff waiting for me here. But I'm feeling like I'm brushing up all this massacre that I had, and it's getting better and better. So my job is to get rid of all of this. I want to have like 2 max 3 trades at a time, and none of them breaking even. So like once I have something breaking even, I lose my opportunity to trade with stop markets, with trade from neutral zone, trade from in continuation of the trend, and trade short. So have a great weekend. See you on Monday, or maybe during the weekend if I decide to look for more stocks. Take